Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to be doing an eye look only with the Glamlite Cake Palette, because I'm going to work today. So hello, my name is Kristen if you're new here. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. Anyways, so yes, Cake Palette. Before I get into it, I will say, so in my last video where I did like super colorful, kind of rainbowy look, I use this raspberry color on my eyelids and I had a reaction. And I've determined, I'm pretty sure it was because of this. Now I did have my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer underneath, but it still stained my lids a little bit. But yes, when I went to clean my eyes off, you know, I didn't feel anything prior to that, but I use this oil-free eye makeup remover from Target, and it's my favorite, and I've used this for quite a long time. I've never had any issues, so I don't think it's it. But I noticed my eyes were a little irritated, and then I made a mistake, so this might actually be part of it. I saw this little TonyMoly do all over serum. I'm like, oh, that's cool. It's right here on my desk. I just reviewed it out of the box. I'll put that on my eyelids. I think that might have been the catalyst for what made it even worse. So my eyelid skin got pretty red, and my eyelid skin's still a little puffy. I will say that, but it's fine now. So I think it just needs to go down. So my eyes are dry too, super dry. So I just put some moisturizer on it. I'm not afraid to put makeup on, but I don't think I will be using this red raspberry color soon. I don't think I've ever had a reaction to eyeshadow before, but I think if I hadn't have put this on, it wouldn't have been that bad. I think it was just a little bit irritated, but this actually says it is, what is this? 50% watermelon fruit extract. So maybe that's why I shouldn't put it on my freaking face. So I decided that I'm going to do a little palette bingo. I've already chosen my colors though. What I came up with was the purple frost and then this cinnamon color. So, which is an odd combination. We got purple and cinnamon, but I'm going to make it work. Do it really light for work as well. So I already have my eye primer on. I'm pretty sure my eyes will be fine. We're going to see though. If not, I just won't wear any makeup at all while at work. But so yes, get a little bit of purple here. A lot of kick up in the pan. I mean, it's powder, so whatever, but I know some people don't like that at all. So I'm just basically I'm just gonna concentrate it just on my lid, and then I'm gonna like smoke it out the rest of the way. What is this? This is one of my Sigma brushes. No, this is a Firma brush, 403. I must have gotten this in one of my subscription boxes. Yeah, so anyways, that was weird, and I can only attribute it to that color. Like I said, it's stained, so it's fine. I might try it out again once my eyes are fully, whatever. I don't want to say healed, because it's like they're fine, they're just dry now. But I guess we'll see if this color gives me any issues as well. Like I said, I haven't had any other issues with Glamlite stuff, so I've read and I've been told by some people that reds in particular can do that to some people just because of what they're made out of. So someone else I remember seeing just on a random forum, not someone I know, but they did mention that Glamlite doesn't actually disclose their ingredients, but we do see ingredients on the palette. So I think they were just talking about maybe just on the actual website. I don't know. Either way, it's fine. Like I said, we'll see what my eye is like later today. I'll kind of report on it, just, you know, in another video later on. Okay, well that's looking pretty decent. I like it. It's not very patchy, I don't think. I've smoked it out nicely. You know, it just shows that you don't need 5 or 6 colors. I'm not saying you should never do it. It's just, I know some people can be discouraged because they do see a lot of people who do multiple colors with eye looks. And yeah, you know, you can just have a very simple eye look and still be super nice. So yes, alright, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to, I think I'm just going to take this on my finger maybe just keep it in the middle. Or like just on my eyelid. That's actually kind of nice. I like that. Nice color combination. Yeah. Okay, that's cute. Alright, I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got both the eyes done, so I'm just going to go underneath. I'm just going to use the same purple color with this kind of like pinched blending brush, I think. Small shader from Moda. I've used this brush before. I do like these brushes. This set is very nice. You know, purple's my favorite color. I remember as a young teenager when I was first getting into makeup, I think it was like a little Maybelline type of purple, but it was just my favorite to wear. I just put that all over my eyes. People always said it looked really nice. Again, I'm not doing any other makeup because I still have to wear a mask. I still can't wait for the day when we don't have to wear them anymore. I am vaccinated. I know I keep saying that, but for those who are new here, it's not anything else. It's just I'm ready. I've literally had to wear the mask since May 21st. No, people on the trains have had to wear the mask since May 21st last year. I had to wear the mask, I think, like a month prior. Yeah, long time wearing them at work. We kind of mandated it before a lot of other businesses did. Okay, so there we go. We got two-color look, but it looks super pretty. I like how it turned out. I'm going to find this highlighter. That's the shitty highlight. The highlighter's not shitty. The person that made it's shitty. But I'm still going to use this bitch because there's a lot in here, and like it's a good one. Also, here's my little this is part of my potion project pan, so you can see what I've used there. So I'm just going to use that as my inner corner. I don't know if that's too much for this look now. That's fine. It's all good. It looks nice. Ooh, okay. So I have both eyes done, except for I didn't do my lower lash line with mascara. I forgot I had this in my Potion Project Pan kit. So this is from Shop Miss A. This is AOA. Come on. There we go. It's a skinny little tube. And I think I've shown this before, but oh my god, this is amazing. This little wand, like, if this ever gets dry or runs out, I'm just keeping the wand. Look how freaking amazing and small that is. So, it's just the tiniest little guy meant for your lower lashes. And I love it because I can easily get that. I always have a problem getting mascara wands in this little area just because eyes are so hooded. I'm always afraid I'm going to hit the skin or something. So, yeah, it doesn't hold a lot of product, so like, you need to dip in, but I probably need to dip in again, but that's fine. I'm not going for like super dramatic or anything. But, yeah, so that's a completed look. So, I like it a lot. That palette bingo went well. I, at first, wasn't sure if these colors would go together, but I think it's nice. And I don't think they'll say anything to me at work. I think this look would look great with freaking eyelashes, but I'm not going to put eyelashes on because, again, gotta go to work. So, okay, so that was my completed bingo look with the Glamlite Cake Palette. Okay, not bad. Again, no other face makeup because I'm going to work. But, yeah, let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe because I'm a lover of colorful makeup, learning how to do makeup on my hooded eyes, super duper hooded eyes, wrestling. Oh, also don't forget I'm a weirdo and I post every single day. I'm going to be posting every day until February 6th, well, February 5th next, because this is kind of like my road to 40 years old, so kind of document. Anyways, yes, I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Okay, bye.